Could you give us some insight into that?
Yeah, absolutely. So, one of my favorite things that we do in the computational thinking workshops is the very first thing that we do on the first day of the workshop. And we have teachers solve a problem or attempt to solve a problem called the taxi cab problem. And the taxi cab problem is a bit of a logic problem that asks how you can get from point A to point B on a grid, and how many different ways are there to get from point A to point B on this grid if you're moving right or down. And it's really fascinating to see all of the different problem solving approaches that people take to solve this problem. There are a myriad number of approaches that people take. It's really interesting to see the differences and similarities in thinking between different teachers and teacher groups trying to solve this problem. And what it does is it really uncovers how we think about problem solving, what are people's thought processes, and how can we use information about how people solve problems to better implement computational thinking in our classrooms. So it's a really great way for teachers to make some noticings about their own problem solving, um, the way they problem solve, and then apply that to the different things that we learn later on in the workshop.